It could become the largest gold mine in Canada. With me today is Rudi Fronk. He is the CEO of Seabridge Gold. Rudi, welcome back to the show.
Daniela, great to be back.
Yeah, you have been invited back to John Dewey's Gold Stock Analyst Day. This is kind of our yearly ritual now. So give us an update. What's the latest from the KSM project?
Well, at KSM now, we've been working the past dozen years now on advancing what has become the largest undeveloped gold copper project in the world today as measured by gold reserves. At KSM, we have 39 million ounces of proven and probable gold reserves and 10 billion pounds of copper. In addition to that, over the past few years, we've continued to try and de-risk the asset by bringing higher grade material into the mine plan. And as a result, now we can show a much more robust project than we were able to do in 2016.
But in order to move the project forward, you are looking for a JV. This needs to happen?
Yes, correct. I mean, we acknowledged very early on that this project is well beyond our technical and financial capabilities. It's going to be a $5.5 billion project to build. We will need the involvement of a major mining company.
So is this the year it's going to happen?
It could be. I mean, I think if you look at the increase in M&A activity and finally the recognition that the majors need to start doing new deals, you know, the elephant in the room that nobody talks about, even with these mergers that are going on, is that the mine life that the big gold companies have left is about 10 years. They need to find new projects, and now they're starting to look for those opportunities.
Do you think panic is setting in?
You know, I've been in the business for 40 years. It seems to me that they do the same things at market tops and market bottoms, and I think we're now in an upward trend in gold and in copper, and they need to start buying again.
Rudi, when we say it could be the largest gold mine in Canada, give us some perspective in terms of numbers of what's there.
Okay, we now have 7.5 billion tons of total resources at KSM, and our most recent mine plan captures about 2.5 billion tons of that material. And we're limiting our material that be mined based on what we have approved for tailings capacity with the government. And if you look at our mine plan today, the first 7 years of mine life on a 50-year mine plan, we're going to average over 1.1 million ounces of gold production a year and about 300 million pounds of copper.
During your talk, you were saying that your exploration team, and I just want you to share this with the audience, has found more gold deposits than some of the majors out there.
Yeah, if you actually look at over the past 10 years, we have found over 45 million ounces of proven and probable gold reserves and a lot more resources beyond that. And the industry, especially the major companies, have not come close to that.
So what are you doing right?
Well, I can argue that we probably have the right team in place. I think you know, the talent that we have from the exploration side, in my view, is second to none. And what they've been able to deliver at KSM over the past 10 plus years is proof in the pudding.
So what do you think about this tactic of just acquiring mines instead of companies going out and actually exploring and finding new deposits? Is there a right or wrong answer here?
No, I think it depends where you are in the cycle. If you can buy ounces cheap or buy deposits cheap because you're at the bottom of the market when they tend to be cheap, you take advantage of that. You know, one recent acquisition we just did is a large land package in Nevada called Snowstorm that has no ounces in the ground yet. But we bought this project because it sits right on the intersection of the Getchell Trend and the Carlin Trend in northern Nevada with a lot of big major mines just to the south of us.
So Rudi, focus for you in 2019 will be?
Getting a partner done. Bringing a joint venture partner that's willing to commit the dollars to build a mine.
Well, I wish you luck with that, and thank you so much for coming on the show. Good luck.
Always a pleasure.
Next year, we'll be talking about your future partner.
If we do, I'll bring a bottle of champagne.
All right. And thanks for watching. We'll have more for you on Kitco.com.